People are willing to spend their time doing strange things. They watch TV series, wait for non-existent fish at dirty little ponds, dig in the garden, or craft strange little ornaments. I don't get it. I do have a hobby, though. I go to unusual places. The night is the best time. It's better not to let anyone else know that you're going. It's probably less adventurous than killing dragons wearing a VR headset, but holding on to the cold metal of a ladder is a more real feeling. Welcome to my playground. A steel plant. To me, it always seems like a giant living organism. It has its own streets and crossings, its own rules, its own citizens. You can wander around for hours, explore for days. You can get lost in the labyrinths, on the ground above it or underneath. Chimneys are pure beauty. Tough and proud, they used to be the symbols of progress and wealth. They put chimneys on postcards in those days. The more smoke, the more work. The more work, the more food. That was only a few decades ago. When I get into a cluster of cables and pipes and valves, I often ask myself, is there anybody out there who understands how it all works? Is there some great library devoted to all the schematics and plans explaining all this? glory days of heavy industry are gone. Apparently today's Prometheans are the people sitting in front of flickering screens, dragging icons around. They're creating hundreds of pointless smart applications every day, pretending it's hard work. But the real work happens here. The plant is a beast. It eats iron ore and breathes flames. The people down there, they're riding a liquid iron rodeo, trying to keep the monster from throwing them off. The big factories are almost forgotten today. They don't belong in our sterile world. They make dust and noise and dirt and smoke, and it changes the climate and kills kittens. But the factories need to be somewhere else, on the other side of the globe preferably. We believe that all we need to produce wealth are ones and zeros in fibre cables, but we're wrong. The rails you're commuting on to your startup, the metal frame of your super stylish smartphone come from here. They pass through the hands of the men who dance with fire. Here in the factory.